Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, healthy. Okay. So now, children, we have completed chapter in grammar. Now we are going to start chapter number 5 again in the main course book. Right? So this book, chapter number 5, where's Toby? I've already done the explanation in the live class. So today I'm quickly going to revise this chapter and we are going to do the new words. Right, children? So ready, steady and go. Okay. So children, this chapter is about that Toby is a puppy. Okay, so puppy's name is Toby and you know it belongs to Rohan and Meera. It is Rohan and Meera's puppy and he's 1 month old and all the members, they're sitting with the family, right? So now as everyone is sitting together, so there are 4 characters, Rohan, Meera and Mama Papa, right? So here in this what happens is, as we start with the chapter, here Rohan, he's saying, where's Toby? He's asking, where is Toby? So Meera's sister, Rohan's sister Meera, so she's saying, he must be somewhere here. So she's calling out, Toby, Toby, where are you? So they are looking behind the curtains, he's not there. So mother say he must be sleeping in the basket. He used to sleep in the basket. You understand what is a basket? This kind of thing? Right. So maybe he's sleeping in his basket. So now when they go and they check, they say that it's not here. Meera says that he's not there. Okay, next page is. So father is telling them, have you checked the garden? He likes sleeping in the flower beds. Now what are flower beds? Flower beds are the places in the garden where flowers grow, right? So now they are saying, they are calling out in the garden, Toby, Toby, where are you, where are you? So Meera, she's very sad, she's just about to cry. उसको बस रोना आने ही वाला था कि मेरा टॉबी कहाँ गया. Okay, now she's thinking that I think that Toby is lost. Okay. So mother is saying, don't worry Meera, he must be in the house. वो कहाँ जा सकता है? घर से बाहर तो वो गया ही नहीं, तो lost कैसे हो जाएगा? घर में कोई चीज़ कभी खोती ही नहीं है. So now Toby is saying yip yip. So there was very soft sound. Softly the sound came yip yip. So the sound of the dog. So now Rohan says, that's him. That's the dog's heart. That's the dog's sound. So they are calling out, Toby, Toby, where are you? Where are you? So again this soft yip, 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 yip voice comes. Now children, all they are looking in the bedroom to find him, right? He's there. वो सब जगह उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश करें. किसको? Toby को. Toby is what? Puppy. Okay. And they all run into the bedroom. Now as they run into the bedroom, they looked under the bed. They crawl down here and there. They are looking here and there. So they are trying to find Toby. Okay. Now he likes sitting in front of TV, but he's not there also in the bedroom. उसको TV के आगे बैठना और TV देखना बहुत पसंद है आप लोगों की तरह. So now, but he's not there. Okay. So they look behind the door. He's not there. So there again, they all are thinking that where is Toby? Where are you? Where are you? So again this sound come yip 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 yip. So all looks towards the cupboard. सबने cupboard की तरफ देखा. Now they think that Toby is inside the cupboard. Okay, so they take the chair, either looking upside of the cupboard, if it's there on the top of the cupboard, but he's not there, he's not there. And again this sound come yip 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 yip. Okay, and he's in the cupboard. अब उनको finally realize हो गया कि वो cupboard के अंदर से ही आवाज आ रही है. ठीक है. Now when they open the cupboard, mother opens the cupboard quickly and Toby jumps out of the cupboard. And Rohan is laughing. What are you doing in the cupboard, you naughty dog? And mother is saying, can you see the mess? Children, what is the meaning of mess? Mess means that all things are up and down here and there. Okay. They are not kept on the proper places. So mother is angry. So Meera is saying, mother, don't be cross. Cross means angry. Don't be angry. He is only a baby. वो तो छोटा सा baby तो है, puppy तो है. उसको क्या पता क्या ठीक है और क्या गलत. So father is laughing. Well, look after your baby and don't let him get lost. So father is saying, so now you look after your puppy, okay, and don't let him get lost. Okay, this time the puppy is not lost, but next time may be possible that the puppy might get lost. So you have to take care of your puppy. So children, this was the summary of the chapter, the revision of the chapter, as we have already done the chapter in the live class. So now I'm going to share new words with you, right? So the first word is belongs, somewhere, curtains, basket, garden, nearly, hope, loudly, softly, bedroom, crawls, hiding, cupboard, behind, clothes, basket, loudly, quickly, laughing, naughty, mess, cross. Okay, so these are the new words, children. You have to write these new words in your English notebook. Okay, you have to write date, today's date, then the name of the chapter, where is Toby, and then new words, and you have to write all these 22 new words, right? And also remember, you have to learn the spellings also. Again, I'm repeating: date, name of the chapter, where's Toby, then new words, and then you have to write all these 22 new words in your English notebook. Right, children? So tomorrow I'm going to do the question and answers with you. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay hydrated. Thank you. Bye-bye.